Good day, everyone. Before we start, I'd like to thank you all of you for being here today. In this presentation, we'll dive into an essential concept in finance, the time value of money. This principle serves as the foundation for many financial decisions, investments, and economic evaluation. Let's get started. The time value of money is a basic economic notion that is embodied by interest, which is sometimes defined as the expense of using money over time. These fundamental business theory compound interest computations are essential in a number of financial situations such as lending and borrowing, negotiating payments over time, and assessing business investments. This computation take into account the principal, interest rate, and the time period, enabling precise evaluation of present and future value to essential elements of well-informed financial decision-making. In simple interest is interest calculated only on the original amount, the principal, invested or borrowed. The formula is simple interest equals P times R times T, where P is the principal, R is the interest rate, and T is the time. In compound interest, is interest calculated on the initial principal, which also includes all accumulated interest from previous periods. The formula is A equals P times 1 plus R, where A is the amount, P is the principal, R is the interest rate, and T is the time in years. In future value annual compounding, future value is the amount of money that an investment will grow to over a period of time at a given interest rate. The formula is FV equals 1 plus I times N. Future value determination involving a stream of equal payments. A stream of equal payments made at regular time intervals is an annuity, sometimes called fixed annuity. These are two types of fixed annuities. The first one is the ordinary annuity, and the second is the annuity due. Ordinary annuity involves a series of equal payments made at the end of each period. To find the future value of this annuity, we use a formula that considers the payment's amount, the interest rate, and the number of periods. A future value interest factor of an annuity simplifies the calculation. FVIFA is a pre-calculated value based on I and N readily available in financial tables or calculators. The formula is the FVOA equals A times FVIFA times IN.
An annuity is the series of payments made at the beginning of each period, unlike an ordinary annuity where payments are made at the end. This seemingly small difference significantly impact of the value because each payment an annuity due earn interest for an extra period, its future value is always higher than that of an equivalent ordinary annuity. To calculate the future value of an annuity due or future or FVAD, the first calculate the future value of an ordinary annuity, or FVA, FVOA, and then multiply the results by 1 plus interest rate. For example, if the FVOA is 3,310 and the interest rate is 10%, the future value of annuity due is 3,310 times 1.10 equals 3,641. The extra 331 represent the additional interest earned due the earlier payment timing. Present value. The second key concept regarding the time value of money, present value. Present value of the current value of future amount of money or series of payment equivalent at an appropriate discount rate. A discount rate, sometimes called the required rates of return. Its rate of interest that is used to find present value. The process of determining of present value of a future amount is called discount. So discount. The future determination of compounds money forward in time determine its worth in the future. Present value determination discount money that will be received in the future back in the time to see what is worth in the present. Present value, or PV, is the current worth future sum of money. It accounts for the fact that money available to can earn interest, making it worth more than the same amount in the future. The process of calculating PV is called discounting and involves using discount rate, or often rate of return, or interest rate. Example, if you expect to receive 1,100 in 1 year and discount rate is 10%, the present value is 1,100 over 1 plus 0.1 raised 1 equals 1,000. This means 1,000 invest today at 10% would grow to 1,100 in 1 year. Discount essentially reverse the discounting process. Determination of present value using table. PV IFIN is called present value interest factor for discount rate I and time period N. Given the time of value of money, a future amount present value PV is its current value. This can be computed using a present value interest factor, or PVIF table. Factor of various interest rate, or I, and the time period is end are listed in the PVIF table. The PV of future amount PIFV is calculated by multiplying the FB by matching PVIF. For example, future value PV 1000. Interest rate is I 10% or 0.10. Time period is N 5 years. So next, present value of determination involving streaming of equal payment. The present value of unequal stream of payment or PV is found by using the equation below. It is equation the annuity payment A is multiplied by a term of brackets, which is the sum of individual present value interest factor. Present value is a current value of future sum of money or stream of cash flow given a specified rate of return. The formula is PV equals FV over 1 plus I raised N. Example, you want 5,000 pesos in 3 years and the interest rate is 6%. Calculation, 5,000 over 1 plus 0.06 raised to 3 equals 3,960.47. You would need to invest 3,960.47 pesos today. You have 5,000 pesos in 3 years at a 6% interest rate. So overall, the time value of money is the crucial concept of finance, highlighting the importance of understanding how money value change over time due to interest. By recognizing that a pesos received today is worth more than the pesos received in the future. So that's all, everyone.